What's up, you guys? It's your girl Key. Welcome back to my channel. Now today I am doing a hair review, and this hair is from Wiggins hair. Now if you like videos like this, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, like this video, and comment down below if you would try a headband wig at all, or do you just feel like they're not for you. So let me know that down in the comment section. Now let's get started. Now the wig that I received from Wiggins hair is a headband wig. It's 24 inches in their deep wave curl. Now, when I received the wig, it came via FedEx, and it came with a nice, cute little silk reusable bag. I love when they add details like this. You can go ahead and put the wig back into this bag. I appreciate stuff like this. And this is the box it came in. It is a little bit crazy looking. And of course, they give you headbands, wig cap, and then they also added like an adjustable band or strap. I guess you could use that in any instance, but I just don't feel you need this for this headband wig. Now this headband wig, again, is a deep wave curl. It is very, very beautiful. I love the curl pattern. It's so long, and I love the headband. The headband is nice and thick. But also, as you guys know in my other videos, I have hidden the headbands. I have cut the headbands. If you want to check that out, it'll be in the description link below. But I have never seen a headband wig with these type of clips. Now, these types of clips are different. These clips remind me of the clips when you remember back in the day when everybody used to make their own clip-ins or try to make their own clip-ins. These are what these clips remind me of. I'm used to just the kind of halfway comb, so having clips like this, I don't know. I'm gonna see how it goes, because of course it's sewn on to the cap, and there are how many clips? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 2 in the back and 3 in the front. So I'm wondering how secure this will be on my head. So let's go ahead and find out. I'm going to unclip all of these, and we're gonna see how this turns out. Also, as you guys see, edges are laid and slayed. I tried the kind of wavy, cute, curled method on my edges, and I kind of curled the back just because I might try to pull this in a ponytail just for a cute little style. So let's see how these clips work. Now, before putting on I guess you could say these little bands right here, I kind of feel like I have more slack on one side than the other. But the clips, they're in there, especially since the front part of my hair is kind of straightened and the rest are in braids. So the clips are in there, but I feel like one side has more slack than the other. And even though I tried to adjust that, I don't know. I'm going to try to adjust it one more. This is how it should look, I feel. And now I'm going to put the band on. I feel like this is a good fit. It's a nice snug fit. So that's really good. Okay. Yeah, it's a really nice snug fit. Hold on, I'm going to turn around. Can you guys see that? It's a nice snug fit. So it's a nice snug fit. So I don't think you need the deep combs like I'm so used to. Now about this hair is very, very soft to the touch. I can say that Wiggins hair has very soft wigs. Their hair is always just very, very soft. I love this curl pattern. It is so beautiful. I like just how it looks. This is definitely beach hair, and I like the length. 24 inches, it just gives, like it gives. So I'm gonna show you guys how long it is here on the side, but it's definitely very long, very beautiful. And I just love the way it looks. Now, the clips were interesting. I'm used to having just kind of like, you know, the clips that dig into your freaking scalp. These are just like, you know, regular hair clips that you would kind of use on clip-in hairs. So it was very different. Of course, the wig is staying because of how it is on my head. It fits my head. So I'm glad that I got a medium. And I will leave all the specs down in the description bar. But this one actually fits my head. There's no spaces, there's no gaps. So this one I feel is like the size of my head. So I think that's why it's not going anywhere, because the adjustable strap on this is like pulling it, you know, so it can be flush to my head. So that is definitely like good on their note that this fits my head very, very well, where it's not any space, any gaps where I can poke my finger, and it's flush to my head, so it's not going anywhere. I like that the headband, of course, is black and it's a nice thick headband. If I do choose to cut the headband though, the headband part will kind of still be on the half wig. So that's something to note for those of you that are like me that like to cut the headband or flip it. You can't flip the headband without having enough hair around the perimeter, as you guys seen. If I don't have my edges out and I just have this top portion, you can't really flip that enough to hide that headband. You are going to have to leave your edges out as well. Now, you know, I like the way it looks with the way I did my edges this time. I feel like it flows with the hair pattern very well. This hair is a natural brown. It is not a natural black. I will end up having to dip dye this wig when I use it more because of the fact that my hair in the front is black and this wig is a natural brown. You can't really tell right here on camera, but if I was in the daylight, of course, you guys will be able to tell. Of course, the packaging, I always love when packaging comes with things that are useful. Like I can use wig caps, I can use scarves, and I can use a silk bag. Like I hate when they give you things like just weird stuff that you wouldn't use. So I'm glad that they packaged and the appearance and everything was really good. They gave me things that I could use for this wig. I like how long the wig again is and how it feels. So I would definitely urge you guys to check this specific wig out. I will leave a link down below because it's summertime still, so make sure you guys get yourself some curly hair, or it's just kind of like, I feel kind of low maintenance because all you have to do is just throw the wig on and go. You looking cute. It looks like it could be yours, especially if you do your edges like how mine are popping. So make sure you guys check out Wiggins hair. I will leave a link down in the description bar so you guys can check out their hair and get this headband wig for yourself. Until then, I will see you guys in my next video. Comment down below, like this video, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Come on, join the gang, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.